are chain reaction machines built with pieces from our motionKit. Each piece is specially designed to interface with objects you already have, so you can turn this into this. Most STEM toys start with a set of instructions to finish. They're plastic, masculine, and emphasize coding as the core of science education. But science isn't just about memorizing facts and doing math. We need people who are creative, collaborative, and resilient in our STEM workforce too. Plus, research shows that emphasizing these skills is key for increasing diversity in STEM. So we created toys that would give kids and adults the opportunities to naturally practice these skills in the low-stakes world of play. But don't let the simple design fool you. Each piece is made of sustainably sourced wood and specially designed to be used in multiple ways, so that it's simple to start and challenging to master. But how do you make something limitless less intimidating? The challenge cards act like chain reaction Mad Libs, so you'll always have the right amount of structure. Plus, we've got lots of videos and challenges online to help when you're stuck. And whether it takes 3 tries or 30, you'll eventually feel like this.
Let's go!
My name is Alana, and I'm one of the co-founders of Momentix Toys. And this is Anna, my partner in design. We met studying physics and art together in college, where we started wondering why there weren't more women in our classes. Ever since, we've been designing, testing, playing, building, laughing, failing, and iterating our toys with educators, kids, parents, and friends, using the same design process that our kit teaches kids. All with the goal of making sure that everyone knows that they're a capable, creative problem solver. And this is just the start. Help us bring the Momentix motionKit to life and back us on Kickstarter today.